But the heavyweight, everywhere I go, California, state to state, you know I got it on me. Finest on me, I'm in the building. I make a phone call to all my
Who are you passing it to?
I'm the ambassador of legalization.
That was Kaylee.
I'm leading the nation. Haters be hating a lot, but all the dog got is a lot of money.
I know. You said who you back into the passenger.
She thought she was.
I got my features out in Georgia. I get my food from California. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, baby.
Set something up. Why were you hiding out in the corner? Don't give up on the ball.
I bought a chopper. I got a big drum. Going for nothing. I'm ready to air it out on all these niggas. I can see I'm running. Started my mom. She hit me on FaceTime just to check up on me and my brother. Billy the baby. She know that the youngest son was always guaranteed to get the money. Okay, let's go. She know that the baby boy was always guaranteed to get the loot. She know what I do. She know if I run from it.
Damn, that's a strong move.
I'm always waking up in cold sweats like I got the flu. My daughter the G. She saw me killing it before the age of 2. And I kill another one too. I let another do something to you. You know that only about 10 different buddies. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, the cop car.
Good move.
Pistol in my hip like I'm a cop.
Rip it.
This ain't no guitar, this a clock.
At least reach for the wall. Do something.
Keep up when I ride in the Suburban.
Good shot. Good pass.
I got the mop, watch me wash them like detergent. And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on my chest. I don't outside.
Aubrey, 33.
I popped them and left them lopsided, yeah. We finished block, got the rebound in his robin. For me, back time. You can't call me. I get lost in the wind. If you talking
Hands up.
SUV for my refugee. My blocks in the hood, put money in the streets. I was solo when the ops called me at the gas station. Had it on me 30,000, thought it was my last day. But they ain't even want no smoke.
I got ball.
If I had to choose it, murder what she wrote. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, the cop car. Put a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga?
Find yours.
This ain't no guitar, this a clock. I got to eat a fry, sugar sweet.
Step out. Grab it. 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Move your feet.
Help!
Don't drip.
No, she got hit. As soon as she got it.
Get closer!
That was a good play.
You can see it. Her brain was.
She tried to. She was going to shoot before she had the ball, and you could see that in her head. That was a very good play. It's got to happen a little quicker.
But with her,
Yes.
oh, I'm open.
Go up strong.
Or she pre-decides what she's going to do. So no matter what happens,
So she telegraphs the pass. Good
or
drive.
the shot, or the drive, whatever.
Rebound only. On the way back. Olivia, on the way back. Lulu. Get this one on him. Let's go.
Knock it down.
Help, help, help!
Good decision to go that way, but a little bit sooner.
That one-handed pass doesn't work.
Better decision to go that way than it was the way she thought she was going to go. Dribble or something. Go around her. Be the beast that everybody knows you are.
So she was thinking about that book shot again.
Nice, Olivia.
Do it for my mama. Them long nights I swear to God I do it for the mama. I'm with a BB in my chest and the jungle. Money home, money, I got commas in the
Help, help, help!
Good block. Don't hug her.
Back with the remix. These boys are my sons like Phoenix. My city and state never ever seen this. Jimmy Neutron, I'm a young boy genius. On the full time, I'ma give it that beat. When it's done, I'ma feel it. I'm still with the demons. Ooh, what's poppin'? Brand new wood, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like start. I scattered, I caught her. I'm out here with somebody's daughter. She calling me daddy. I'm somebody's father. I gotta go kiss it. I when I go kiss it, I put my lips on it like somebody bought it. A diamond, a glacier, the card in the wallet. She put up the but nobody told me. She told me that she wasn't feeling my music.
She's not afraid.
That's
good.
I did that shit for the free ski. We are not buying no cookie and selling no pastry. There's so much work on my celly. I had to go tell all my bitches email it to reach me. All in my DM, I'll follow your DM. She played with the Koski. We used to fuck on the low ski. She used to lie on my bed and go lie to your face and say I'm just a broski. She knows me. You ain't believe it. You wanted to toast me. I had it steady as long as a ruler in case you was cool and didn't want to approach me. Dropped it and figure came back in the
Ball in the hole. Ah, good try. There's a red square up there. I'd say use the square, but it ain't there. Good block. Good defense.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options.
No, she doesn't move, but okay.
I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of the toxin.
She landed like this.
No middle.
What's bracket? Brand new whip, new match. Brand new tip, new desk. Same old thing, new magnets. Same old shit, new maggots. Same old dog, new dragons. Same old strong, new ashes.
That's out of bounds. Top to the back, where's out of bounds? Somebody needs to tell that to the men's league rep.
Top is not out of bounds. It has to go. It has to break
Right, I get that. But somebody needs to tell that to the men's league rep.
That's one of those obscure rules that everybody calls wrong.
He even calls it out of bounds if the ball bounces over, doesn't even touch it. And you still get it in bounds. It's still in bounds.
Yeah, no.
I mean, if the ball comes over and you can reach it and it doesn't touch nothing, they still call it out of bounds. Let's see if she can score two. She's their point guard. She's their ball handler. Just letting you know. She will handle the ball. Just figured I'd pass that on.
We know. You do realize this is not my team, right?
Yeah. Oh, good block. Why was there one person calling for the ball and 3 people were near her?
Because we don't talk. Because we don't want the ball. Because we're scared of getting the ball to fuck up.
Gotcha. My new work schedule have me working till 5. my new work schedule didn't have me working till 5, I could probably work with all of them a little bit, but
That's a great rim run. Ashley, why are you not in there rebounding? Why are you up at the top of the key? You're at the fucking top of the key. Why are you... I can't.
rebound!
Why are we getting...
I'm done. Five.
Sub!
Haley.
I thought that was shooting.
I got two young down the bus of the heat.
Back! That's yours, Ashley.
And she's not going to contest it.
Nope. She's a shooter.
30.
That was, yes.
Young millionaire with the
Drive, do something. That was a bad shot.
My pocket get the opposite. She wants me to fly her, so I cop the jet. Must be thinking I'm a one-way ticket on a runway, tripping in my feng shui.
They know that's coming.
Why would you pass the ball there with people?
That's a double. That's a double. Hold on to the ball. There you go. Don't give up till you hear the whistle.
I'm aware that the summer on the run, we don't sit on those bleeds. They won't fit in those seats. And we like a cold team. Shaq and Kobe. Like back in 03. I was only like 6. I was like 16. But I can give her 16. I can make it. That's a bit extreme. I got a big ball. Check out the clean. My drip frosty like paws in the steam.
Yep.
Yeah, I had the ball to harvest these dreams.
Why are they having the shortest on the defense? Why is the shortest on the third and the tallest one?
Because they don't know how to match up.
Short. We're all midgets.
Let's walk, Olivia.
Let go of your shorts. Catch the ball before you turn to shoot. Shot.
36.
Yep.
Adam, reach for the ball. 38. They're playing like they've never played with each other before.
And I gotta get my baby. Listen, I don't want no problems.
What's with the lazy passing?
Or pass that, no, that's wrong.
Way to lock her up. That was a jump. It was a good try on the drive. She got locked up. Stay with her, Olivia. White.
Middle. That's where it's right by you, actually.
Yep. And she'll do it all day long.
No pocket pissy, no one know to throw it out. You know what we do to jigging you out. You ain't gotta worry about the score. We gon' blow them out. Like David Jason, gotta be sure.
Hands up, call for the ball, do something.
And part of the issue is they let their offense dictate how they play defense. When you notice when they make a mistake on offense, they walk back on defense.
Hit a couple chicks in the town playing with AIDS. It's hot over there, but playing the shade. So we playing with bullets, y'all playing with blades. No handguns,
About time.
playing with K's. One of these, I come with what?
Ashland.
Exactly how many times do I have to say? That's my dog, yeah. 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 We ain't cool like that, homie. We barely even talk. Every breath ain't close, cause they coming out New York. Hello? When my mom was in the war, or needed money, so how the fuck is you my dog? Got a little old for what it was. Yeah, I know you longer, but I like him for what he does. Don't talk 38 revolver just because. Straight licking that cranberry, not my boss, that's my dog, yeah. You got it off the grill. The road riders it's a new sound. You heard I was from Yonkers like it was a new town. I'm looking at these labels like these new clowns. Silverback, can't wait for me to fall. Same time, can't wait for me to call. Trying to avoid. Let's do it from beyond. Let's do this. That's my dog, yeah. 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 That's my dog, yeah.
Box out.
Watch it. Dribble strong. Stop dribbling lazy. Three passes. Get on D.
Who scored that?
I think Autumn did. Get on D. Back door. How many is that?
Because she keeps jumping into them.
I kind of want to. She's also putting her hands down.
Yesterday, she blocked 5 shots yesterday and didn't leave her feet. You would think that would resonate and didn't get a foul.
Come on.
Telegraphing. It's not complicated. If you stare at her and you tap her the ball,
Out!
Step out or something. Good reach.
Help inside. Help. Ashley, that's what I need you to do. Was consistent there. No. As soon as the ball goes in, try to speak in. Okay?
The wing means
And open the court. Get in the middle.
Box, red box.
Do something with the ball without getting ripped or traveling.
is also the first basketball she's done. Because of the car accident. She was concussed.
That was close to a travel. Pass it to her chest. I mean, a bounce pass is great, but...
You have 11 or 12, coach?
12. There's only 47.
Stop the clock.
Clock. 2 shots. Wait for the first one. So number 2 fouled? Who fouled?
1-5.
She's at 4.
Clock, clock, clock. How much time?
31 seconds.
Why are you shooting so deep if you ain't got range?
Switch
hands, Olivia, but don't dribble it in front of her.
Get it